thanks for all the love and support you guys have been giving me. I really do appreciate it. Well guys, as you can see, I'm here from a new kitchen today. I'm all the way on vacation in South Florida. Okay guys, my friend Nicola and Allison want stew peas. So guys, we're going to be having stew peas today. Welcome Nicola and Allison to my kitchen. They are so excited about this stew peas. Okay, so we are cooking 5 pounds of pig steak. What I did in the initial stage was to scald. What we call scald is when we put it in the hot water just to get rid of some of the salt, because you know pig steak has a lot of salt. So I did it 3 times. I poured the water out, re-rinse, and put it on, boil, pour the water out, re-rinse, and before I start the cooking process, which is to get it tender. I also used 2 packs of peas. 2 packs of 1 pound peas, so that should be able to incorporate with the. Alright, so that's 2 pounds of peas and 5 pounds of pig's tail. I'm also going to use some Yardman style spinners. What I did in my oxtail, the Yardman style spinners, is what's going to help to thicken the sauce of the stew peas. So guys, this is the second stage of the cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare some stuff while they go ahead and cook. It takes a little bit of time to cook, so just wait a minute guys. So walk with me into the kitchen. We are going to be cooking stew peas. I've already started the process. So the pig's tail is halfway done. The peas is halfway done. And we're also going to make it some jasmine white rice. We're also going to be using coconut milk, a little bit of Maggi, some pimento seed, a little bit of black pepper. We have green onion, which is Italian Jamaican style. We also have some thyme and some scotch bonnet pepper. You know we can't do without that scotch bonnet pepper. I have my little kitchen helper today who's going to be doing the dishes for me. I'm going to introduce her. Her name is Robin, and this is my baby girl Robin. Say hello to everyone. Thank you. So guys, just wait on the finished product. Okay, so the pig's tail is cooked. What I like to do is to take off the excess fat and then cut it up into bite-sized pieces. So that's exactly what I'm doing now, guys. I'm taking off the excess fat. Some people like the fat. You can go ahead and do it with the fat, but I like it without the fat. So what I do is take off the excess fat and just cut up into bite size. So this is the start process of cutting up the pig's tail in bite size. Okay guys, when I'm ready to cook the pig's tail together with the peas, I'll get right back to you. Okay, I'm back. The pig's tail is cooked, my peas is cooked. I cook in 2 separate pots, so now I'm going to combine it together. So I'm going to pour the peas, I'm going to stir in the pig's tail, and then when it comes to a boil, I'm going to add my spinners, and then I'm going to add my seasoning. I also went ahead and put some rice on, so we are cooking some white rice with it, and I'm also going to fry some plantain, and we also prepared salad. So guys, it's going to be an awesome dinner. Okay, I did go ahead and add my spinners. I'm adding some coconut milk. So I just put the coconut milk in, so I'm going to let it simmer down with the coconut milk. The dumplings the spinners should be cooked, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my scallion, thyme, pepper, and a little bit of Maggi all-purpose. Okay guys, my rice is also steaming up. I'm going to fry some plantain as soon as I take the rice from it. Yes guys, so this is where we are at with the stew peas. The stew peas is looking good. I'm going to put in my final seasoning. I had to change the pot because we have so much fish to be fed this evening. So much guys. I'm going to add some pimento seed. I'm going to go ahead and add my scallion. But what I'm going to do is to crush the scallion. So I crush my scallion, and then I'm adding some thyme. I'm going to add a whole green pepper, and then I'm gonna cut the yellow one so the pot can have enough flavor. I'm also gonna add a little bit of black pepper and a little shake of Maggi. So guys, this is where we're at with the stew peas. I'm gonna add the pepper, pour the green pepper, and I am tossing my yellow pepper so we can get some of that nice Scotch bonnet taste. So this is where it's at now. So guys, look at it, it's looking good. It's almost ready to be eaten. So I'm gonna have it cook down for a little more so we can get that nice thick look. So just wait for the finished product. As soon as I'm done, I'm gonna plate and let you guys have a look at it. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, this is the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and plate. Everybody's waiting to eat. Everything is looking really good. I have some tomatoes, cucumber, we have cranberry slice, and we also have lettuce. We also have some plantain fried over here as well. So guys, dinner is gonna be delicious. And my helper is helping to put food on the table. Thank you, Robin. You're welcome.
Delicious. Oh yes, it is. What a treat.
It's a feasting.
Thank you, Nina.
Who gets this on a Tuesday?
Oh yeah.
A few moments later.
It's over now.
Way too much.
Nina, it was amazing. Oh my God. Can you guys tell? Thank you, Nina. Awesome. Come over and do this again next week.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the love. Continue to like, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember, we're coming with 2 videos per week now. And thank you for all the love. Guys, see you on the next video.